Hello, friends and teachers. Happy World Environment Day. Let us talk a few words about environment. As you all know that due to this pandemic situation, I think fresh air, green sites have become luxury. What earlier we would take for granted, remember our environment is our home and it's our duty to keep our home clean. In this picture, we can see that ego versus echo. So, we are all intertwined with the earth. Every single one of us enveloped in the sunlight, the air, the water, and the ground. All of it. Without the earth, none of us would be breathing in the oxygen we're just so careless breathing in the right now. So, leave ego and follow the echo. Let us join our hands to protect our nature, save the animals, save the birds, save the water, and save the Mother Earth. Don't forget that each and every day is a Environment Day. And once again, Happy World Environment Day.
Hello everyone, I am Sahana from Bharat Vidya Niketan School, studying in 10th standard. Today on June 5th, we are celebrating World Environment Day. World Environment Day reminds us to strengthen the world and ensure the nature to be protected. So let's create awareness among the common people about which the environment is facing right now. And also encourage everyone to keep their surroundings safe and clean so that everyone can have a cleaner, greener and prosperous future. On this day, at least let's plant one tree so that our environment become more greener. Happy Environment Day. Thank you.
World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5 globally. It is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Moreover, it is essential to advocate for a greener environment and conservation of nature. It is quite simple as when we conserve the environment today, the future generations will be able to lead a healthier life. We cannot be so selfish and use all the resources for ourselves. World Environment Day is the perfect opportunity to make people aware the issues we are facing and how one can contribute to save it. Thus, it is quite important on its own way. Fresh air is not something we get enough of in modern life, especially as most of us seem to be increasingly stuck inside with our great British weather. Indoor air can be stale, and thanks to our modern synthetic materials and temperature regulation, it also contains pollutants and it is often well below recommended humidity levels. Synthetic furniture, paints, and computers, to name but three, silently pump chemical vapors into the air while your heating system will dry out your air. This can lead to complaints such as allergic attacks, asthma, headaches, and tickly cough. Gasping for breath, India struggles to cope with an acute oxygen crisis in the midst of deadly second COVID wave. Avoiding poisonous substance when dealing with pests not only protects the environment, it also protects natural pest enemies and the people and the animal who depend on plants. Plants are the source of the oxygen we breathe, the food we take, and ultimately of all life on earth. To care for humanity, we must care for nature. Now we have to select whether we want natural oxygen or the oxygen for which we have to struggle a lot.
Nature is sending us a clear message. We are harming the natural world to our own detriment. Habitat degradation and biodiversity loss are accelerating. Climate disruption is getting worse. Fires, floods, droughts, and superstorms are more frequent and damaging. Oceans are heating and acidifying, destroying coral ecosystems. And now a new coronavirus is raging, undermining health and livelihoods. To care for humanity, we must care for nature. We need our entire global community to change course. Let's rethink what we buy and use. adopt sustainable habitats, farming, and business models, safeguard remaining wild spaces and wildlife, and commit to a green and resilient future. As we work to build back better, let's put nature where it belongs at the heart of our decision making. On this World Environment Day, it's time for nature.